Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TK Designer. Today I will show you how to create transparent blur effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, we have to go left toolbar and choose from here rectangle tool and click here and choose from here shape. Keep the fill color white and stroke color will be none. Now draw a shape over the background layer. Now drag the corner to make a curve of the shape. Now double click here and keep the name blur effect. Now you have to copy the background layer. Just press Ctrl J from your keyboard. Keep it top of the layer. Right click on the layer and choose from here convert to smart object. Now go to the filter and choose from here blur and then Gaussian blur. Keep it around 115. Okay. Now again right click on the layer and just from here create clipping mask. Now click on the blur effect and press Ctrl D from your keyboard to keep it on the center of the background layer. Just drag it. Okay. Now double click on the blur effect. Click on the stroke. Keep the stroke 18 pixel. And now click on the color overlay. Keep it default color white and click on the gradient overlay and just from here normal to multiply and click here and just from here basics. Make sure the reverse is selected. Style will be radial. Now click on the drop shadow. Keep the opacity 15% and distance will be 0 and spread will be 60%. Size will be 60 pixel. Click OK. Now you have to paste your design or text here. I have already created a design that I pasting here. Keep it top of the layers and it is done. It's really awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.